You know how they say when it rains, it pours? That's the best description I can give for this day. And obviously Nairobi and Kenya in general, it's raining really, really heavily. But on this day, I woke up with like such psych to decorate the cakes because in my head I'm like it's a semi-naked cake. It will take me like 2 or 3 hours max to do everything, like to pack. Like I'll be done early. So if my flowers when they're delivered they're not exactly what I want, I have the whole afternoon to go around Nairobi looking for the exact flowers I need. So I was not worrying at all about it. And then when I went downstairs to make breakfast, I checked my phone right when I'm sitting down to eat. I checked my phone, and one of the bakers in a group I'm in had sent a text saying that there would be no power in my area from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And at that time, it was like 8:30. I was like, even if I decide not to eat, there's nothing I can do. Lights are going to be gone in like half an hour. So and I remember texting Sen, and she's like, just decorate in the evening. And I'm like, yeah, at least it's whipped cream. I don't have to be that stressed about it. But if you know me, you know that's me trying to psych myself up. But I would be queuing the stressing. But when my flowers got delivered like 30 minutes later, so they were definitely not what I wanted. I decided instead of working with cake in the morning and then flowers in the afternoon, let me go fix the flower situation in the morning. And at that time, power had still not gone. Power went at like 11. And at 11, I'd told myself, I don't think power is going to go. And then when I just got my cream out of the fridge, power went. So I just decided, let me chill because there's nothing else I can do. And then I'll decorate the cakes at 5 when lights come back. And then at like 3, I was like, I genuinely don't think I am patient enough to wait. And secondly, I personally hate doing dishes. So I did not want my help to go while the dishes are still there because they'll be piled up and there's nowhere I would wait for them to be cleaned on Monday. So I just decided, let me just go start. If power comes back before I'm done, well and good. But if it doesn't come, at least we'll have moved a bit. So even if there's dishes left, it's not a lot. So if I have to wash them, I don't have a lot of work to do. And even so, when I went downstairs, we decided to start with the pre-cuts because we thought it's Saturday. KPLC is going to give us power at like 3 p.m. But no, after we finished with the pre-packs, I just decided to continue working on the cakes. And we whipped our whipping cream by hand, as you saw, and then just carried on with decorating. It was running really smoothly, but at like 5 p.m. there was still no power. At 6 p.m. no power. My help was had left at that point because it was starting to rain, and because of how heavy the rain was, I was pretty sure um the power won't come back anytime soon. So I started panicking, and at some point, I think, not think, I know, I did start crying because of how I was worrying I won't be able to make it, but we made it. We were able to finish everything, and honestly, immediately I finished the last cake. When I finished working on the largest cake, right when I put the last layer with my phone acting as my torch and my tears about to dry up because now I'm done. Um, Power came back just when I was done. And as much as it was a sigh of relief, I just felt like that day could not have gone any worse. Of course, it wasn't as bad, but it was just, I think I just felt all the fatigue at that point. But yeah, it went smoothly, and I guess I'll see you on the next day. Bye.